guys, today it's a very special day, and we went to the city, and my mom and dad buy Toothless. Here's unboxing.
What movie is he from?
How to Train Your Dragon.
Let's have a look. How is it? Wow. What is it?
This is Hiccup.
Do you have to put it together?
I can get Hiccup. Whoa.
That's a hiccup. It's a figure.
Oh wait, it's stuck. It's stuck. Okay, I think I can do it. Oh. I made it.
He made it. Whoa. Okay.
It looks very weird. It looks very
That's
weird.
all right. But where's Toothless? Wow. What's that?
Tail first.
Tail first.
Tail. I'm in wings.
Do you want me to help you?
Yeah,
Let Daddy
use
help.
the wings.
Let Daddy help. Here. And the other one.
I'll put the rider. Then you put
The rider name is?
Hiccup.
Is that Hiccup? Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa.
And
Where's
then,
he? Where's he from?
can I have a look? You have to.
You need something. It has a
Whoa.
hole.
Oh. How do you? Oh no, you put like that. I think you put Hiccup in here.
Like this.
And then Hiccup in there.
It's in instruction.
And then you can put it right there. Hiccup.
Like this.
Oh. Yeah. Like that.
Oh.
I think. Okay. What if we just leave it like that? And then
No.
we can turn it on.
You need to put batteries.
No, that's batteries, I think.
Oh.
Whoa.
Let's do it without the rider.
Okay.
Okay, get T-Rex.
That's a very nice Toothless.
Let's get T-Rex now.
Let's put it in front of the camera. Johan.
No, I need the T-Rex.
Okay.